Reza, what are you going to do today? Will you come over to my house to play chess with me?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm going to a concert a little later, but I'll come tomorrow if that's okay.
Tomorrow I'm going on a short trip with some friends. How about next week?
Well, I'm going to stay home and study hard for the exam. At the weekend we are going to have a party. It's on Saturday. Are you coming?
Of course I am. Let me know if there is anything I can help you with.
Okay, thanks. I'll let you know. As you noticed, we use am, is, are, plus, going to, plus a simple verb when we want to talk about planned activities in the future. But if we don't have plans, we use will plus simple verb. Thanks for joining us.